You don't. Okay, so how did you know that the sandwich was not 12 inches?
Well,
Did you use a pepper? What did you get? Okay, what I'm asking is, what did you use to gauge that the foot-long sandwich, if that's for 12 inches, was not actual 12 inches?
well, Your Honor, I went to another sub shop,
Okay,
and their subs were 12 inches.
okay, and how did you gauge the size?
These were only about that big.
Okay, did you use any type of instrument to measure the size? That's what I'm asking you, sir.
Yes,
What did you use?
I'd rather not say.
Oh, you're gonna say. What did you use to measure these submarine sandwiches, sir? Did you use a ruler? Did you use measuring tape? What did you use?
Four.
And remember, sir,
Yeah.
you are in a court of law.
Indeed. I'm a little embarrassed. I pulled it out.